Okay, today we will discuss how we can utilize all the knowledge that we have discussed till now to make a brand step by step. So let's start. Before we start, I want to tell you that any topic can be turned into a profitable, sustainable and social media driven business. Let's say you choose a topic named as accounting. Now let's see the steps involved in building your brand. Number one, first step is go to www.godaddy.com and buy a domain name. Domain name is a unique address on internet like facebook.com and youtube.com. Now, Gary VaynerChuk is a unique name, so he purchased his domain name as www.garyv.com. But if your name is not unique and it's like Robert Smith, then it's difficult to find this sort of domain name like robertsmith.com because these type of simple and usual domain names have already been taken. So brainstorm and figure out your domain name like roberttheman.com. Buy both domains with .com and .tv because you never know which one you will be needing more in future. However, there is no compulsion to launch both. Also, while you are at it, buy domain names for your children as well. It's going to benefit them a lot. Get your usernames on your social media similar to your domain name like facebook.com/roberttheman and twitter.com/roberttheman and instagram.com/roberttheman, etc. My username is exceptioners for all my social media handles, which represents my brand, and domain name which is beanexception.com. And exceptioners makes sense, which is totally fine. It's all about your choice, but make sure you keep it easy and simple and somewhat related to your brand name. Step number 2. Start WordPress or Tumblr account. This is the blog site that is going to host your website. I have launched my own blog on WordPress, which you can visit by going to my website, which is www.beanexception.com. Step number 3. Hire a professional web designer because he is going to help you place the most important buttons correctly and he will make the interface easier and user-friendly. That's the only point where you need to spend real money so you can increase your sales. But if you don't have budget for that, it's totally fine. WordPress offers a lot of themes from which you can choose the one you like. I have a computer science background and I have read subjects like human-computer interaction, so it was easy for me to build my own website with WordPress and make it user-friendly. You can take a look at my website. If you need to build a WordPress website, you can also contact me. I would love to help you out. Write me an email, beanexception97@gmail.com. Step number 4. In this book, for video blogs, Gary has suggested Flipcam, which were common at the time of writing this book. But if you are filming a video blog, then right now, you can literally use your iPhone or whatever smartphone you have, and that's what Gary suggests now as well. Wherever you are inspired, just do the video blog right away. Step number 5. Create a Facebook fan page if you still haven't created it yet. Step number 6. Open a Twitter account if you still haven't created it. Step number 7. Now this step is not in book because at the time book was written, Instagram didn't exist. But now Gary recommends it to everyone. So step 7 is to open an Instagram account and make sure you keep all the usernames of Facebook, Twitter and Insta similar to your domain name as we have discussed before. Step number 8. Start pumping out content. Let's say you have good accounting background and you talk about accounting on your video blog. Now, a lot of people in your profession might not like it because you are giving away information for free. Now, when people need professional paid accounting help, then who do you think people are going to reach out? Guys who did hide information or the guy who proved himself to be open and honest and generous? You bet. Step number 9. Go to Twitter and search terms related to your work like accounting, account payable and accounts, etc. Start following all the people or brands who tweet content similar to your topic and talk to people and let them know about you by using @reply publicly. Step number 10. Now go to google.com and search the keywords related to your passion, similar keywords if your passion is accounting. Leave your name and comment, which is going to be linked to your homepage. Comment on every blog which is related to your keywords. Step number 11. Now go to facebook.com and search the term accountant and join as many pages related to your passion as you can, but keep track of all of them. Next, In your search results, click the tab Groups and join as many groups as you can related to your passion and leave comments there as well. Show up most often so people get to know you. Step number 12, rinse and repeat. You are going to do step 8 through 11 for the rest of your life until the brand exists. There are few additional steps which you also need to follow. Number 1, don't forget to include a list of all your social network links such as facebook.com/exceptioners on your email signatures and your business cards, etc. Step number 2, make sure you have a big button on your site which shows something like "Want to do business with me?" My site has such button, so you can visit my site beanexception.com to take a look. Important, pay attention. Just remember one thing, building brand is not like a sprint, it's like a marathon. You won't get business deals or people contacting you for advertisement quickly. However, soon you will start to get business offers under which you can monetize your brand. You can choose to advertise other people early on depending upon your financial, but try to focus on your content and community for little longer initially, because the moment you start monetizing, you will pay less attention to your content and community. When you are ready though, the opportunities to monetize your brand will blow your mind. So these were the steps of building brand discussed from Crush It Chapter 10. If you want to buy the book, link is in the description, and in the end, a big thanks for watching.